Guys, welcome to my channel. I did this beautiful smoky blue eye, but I kind of wanted to kind of do it differently. I typically never put black on the inner corner, but I did like a matte black on the inner corner. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, and just a little side note, smoky blues look great on deeper skin tones. Keep watching this video. Okay guys, so with this smoky blue eye, I've done my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I always use the Charlotte Tilbury brow lift. I think this is the older packaging, but this is the one I use in the color Naomi. The name is discontinued, but I believe it's called black brown, and the eyebrows came off good. Sometimes I do my eyebrows like natural, sometimes I do them fluffy, but let me say this, when the eyebrows start off well, the makeup is going to hit. So I want to do like a smoky blue eye. So I'm not going to do my typical smoky blue eye. And I was just looking like at all these different blue shadows. If you are a deeper skin tone and you want a smoky eye but with color, try blue. Looks so good on deeper skin. Got this palette. This is the Glam Quads Party Glam. I've used this in the summer. It's like nice beautiful blue. That sparkle blue in there is fire. I also got this blue that's in this Charlotte palette. Didn't notice that like I buy so many blue eyeshadows. It's like, what? And I just have concealer as my eye base. I just have it on here wet, meaning no powder to set it. I'm going to be applying a brown shade. Either kind of go into like a reddish tone brown, but I'm going to go just into like a neutral brown shade on my eye here. This is in the Charlotte palette, the Icons palette. The finish, this is not a complete matte eyeshadow, and we're going to pop that all on our eyes here. I have just that brown, and it really helps if you have just like a big fluffy brush because it'll just cover all that eye space. I'm going to be taking the eyeshadow Noir. It's in the Soft Glam palette. It's honestly in a few Anastasia palettes. I believe you can buy it as a single. This is my favorite black eyeshadow. It's super, super, super black, and it's matte. I really wish the finish was a little different, but we're going to be using this one. This right here is super black. I love this eyeshadow. I'm just putting that blue here, you know, the typical smoky eyes, it's like smoky around the perimeter. I'm going to actually make it smoky beginning portion of my eye. So as I'm pressing, I'm blending. Press, swipe, press, swipe. And you can see it's kind of just diffusing it on the edges instead of just making it a big glob of black. So with black, I always recommend building, adding, blending, building. And just a random blending brushes from Sigma. Try to make sure that you keep just like a clean blending brush for the black. And you see how I just have it kind of applied like on the inner, a big portion of my eye. I'm just gonna fluff this out. It's going to blend right into that brown. You can most definitely use that brown if you don't want like a reddish transition color. For the blue, which blue do I want to use? Thinking about this one from Charlotte. This one's really nice. The finishes are really nice. Also pay attention to the finishes of eyeshadows. Like you see an eyeshadow, it's cute, it's like ooh ooh ooh, but pay attention to the finishes. You know what, I might just do this matte blue, but the last time I used this matte blue, I feel like I kind of had like a small little issue with it. Just dip into this matte blue. So I'm going into the matte blue, and I'm taking a fluffy flat brush, and as I'm applying it, I'm also blending the shadow. I'm starting on the center of my eye here. When you press, you swipe, press, swipe lightly. You don't gotta be like, you know, lightly. When I used to work at comps, people used to go in there, I'm like, it's like, calm down, calm down. And this is where we're going to want our blue to be the attention. So I am starting on the center and working my way to the outer part of my eye. Morphe blending brush, and I'm going into that blue shade. And I'm going to be popping it on the outer corner of my eye. And I'm going to just be blending and building the shape that I kind of want. This blue, I recommend using patting motions first. I'm taking just the overall blending brush and just making sure that that's nice and blended. And I want to add a little bit more of that black because I want to be able to see that I have black. It's like black and blue. So I'm going adding that black to the inner corner of my eye, make it a little bit more prominent here. The other end of that brush, and I'm going to go into that blue shade in the Mario palette. I really love this palette, and I believe they're $25. A little bit more black because I want to make sure that we really see that girl. It's black on the inner corner here, okay? Take your overall blending brush because when you're using black, it takes a lot of blending. We have all of that applied. Next, I'm going to be prepping my lashes. Now, you can use whatever lash you want. I'm going to kind of use a dramatic lash. We're not really going to do too much of a wing here or like eyeliner, as I should most likely say. Oh, I forgot I had this melt stack. So if you want a one-stop shop, use the melt stack. Oh my God, I may just use the melt stack on my lower lash line, but this, look at this. This is bomb. Look at that. So if you don't want to do a wing or you're not that comfortable with doing a wing yet, I'm going to take the Inglot number 77 gel eyeliner. This is amazing. You get it at Macy's, I believe, or Amazon. And I'm just going to just be doing a line, like a nice line on my eyes. My favorite eyeliner at the moment, it's the One Size Point Made Bodacious Black, and popping that in my waterline. Applying a little coat of mascara before you pop your lashes on. It's just gonna really help your falsies blend. To be now popping on my lashes, of course the glue is still gonna be white. And you know, I used a bunch of different shadows, but you can use any blue and any black. It doesn't have to, I just have a lot of blue eyeshadow because I love blue eyeshadow. Thing I love about this foundation is that, like, I feel like it's the easiest to apply. Like, it blends so well. Like, I feel like when they formulated that, they made it blend really well. And I'm going to be taking the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade number 8. This isn't really, I think it's a little bit darker. It's most definitely cool tone. I got this concealer doing the quarantine time, so I ordered it offline. Look, I was trying my best. We're doing smoky. You know what I love to do when we do smoky, right? Nice and bright and highlighted under. The perfect concealer for that is the Huda Beauty High Coverage Creamy Concealer, and I'm in the shade Toasted Almond. And you guys know I love the applicator on this, the cooling tip. It feels so good. It's nice if you can just keep it here, because when you blend it, it's going to spread. So I'm going to be trying, well, I've tried it already, but it's this Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. If you love clean makeup, paraben free and all that free good stuff, girl, Hourglass powder is amazing for that. I've only used this maybe like twice, a few times. I haven't used it that much. Taking my sponge, laying it down. Going into the Huda Beauty Tantour in the shade Medium. When I'm contouring, not only am I sculpting, but I'm making sure I'm leaving a seamless blend, so you can't like, oh, the highlighter's up there and then the contour is there. That's happened to me a few times. We live and we learn. I'm so into like a fluffy brush, fluffy, but also has some dents to it and some shape to blend cream contours. Like taking this Glamlite, this is the Glamlite, it's like an ice cream bar palette. You get like your bronzer shade and 2 highlighters. I'm going to be using the bronzer shade in chocolate and then the highlighter in graham cracker. It's like a really nice lighter bronzer shade. It's nice, I like it. We're gonna go in with our highlighter here. This is one of those highlight on fleek highlighters. Oh, what am I doing? Back up. My smoky blue eye looks, I've always gravitated towards like MAC's Raisin. So basically a more of that natural reddish color. So instead I'm going to cool this tone down, and you can do that. And as I say, when you're doing your makeup, it's not just about the eyes. No, the eyes can be the focus. It's like how the look, how it comes together. So I'm going to be using MAC's Swedish Cocoa, because I have the blue eyes and I'm going to just neutralize the cheeks in a way. Going to have some color, but it's not going to be that red color here. Take it up to the cheek. And if you want more color, feel free to add more color. And I'm just going to add that highlighter. So I'm going to add just a little bit of my Charlotte No. 2 Airbrush Flawless powder, because I just want a little bit more brightening. Just only here though. The reason I can use this powder to like layer is because it's really thin. One thing about Charlotte's going to mild the powders, okay? She's going to mild it finely. This blue here. Or would it be cute if we did black? I don't know. I'm kind of torn. In between. With the blue, I'm only taking a small defined brush, and I'm going into that shimmery blue, which is like really creamy, because I kind of want to create kind of like a wing in a way. I'm going to use a precise brush. Time and do it right. I don't know if you want to call it a wing, but whatever. I want to take that matte blue and I'm going to hit the outer part right there a little bit. You're doing that under eye, just trace your eye shape. That's the easiest way for me. And if you want to clean it a little bit more, feel free. Just take your sponge. You don't have to go in with any more powder, and just trace it, and just like that. Take that mascara, Toofaced Better Than Sex. We're gonna do the lower lash mascara. I'm telling y'all, go. When they give you a mini, don't throw them away. Don't throw them away. You guys already know what pencil I'm about to line with. Huda Beauty Lip Contour 2.0 in Rich Brown. This lip liner is bomb. I don't know if it's waterproof, but it most definitely stains your lips. Not only the formula is nice, so also when you are blending, it's not stiff, but it makes it really easy for you to just fill in your lips and even overdraw if you want. Myth by MAC, just a regular lipstick. I believe MAC still has Myth. I hope so. We're gonna be filling our lips in with this lip color. I'm gonna be taking the lip gloss Fussy Mouth by Fenty. Actually, because I wanted to be a little bit darker, my nude. I don't want my nudes to be too nude. I'm gonna take Hot Chocolate by Fenty. Okay, so here you guys have it. This is the finished look and I'm loving it. I really wanted to just try to do, because I typically always do black on the outer corner, black going into the crease. I just wanted to add it on the inner corner and see how it turned out, and I love it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you are clicking that bell, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!